Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to use Adobe Photoshop. Tutorial 1, locating the application. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application Adobe Photoshop. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, locate the application, which might be on the dock, or we can go to Launchpad, search for Photoshop, and there we have the application. We can also go all the way down to the dock again, go to Finder, go to Applications, search for Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, there you go. We can also do a spotlight search, Command and space, Photoshop. Click on the application, double click. Let's now open up Adobe Photoshop. And so this is the application itself. In the next tutorial, I will be demonstrating to you how to create a brand new project within Photoshop. And so now we can quit Photoshop. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.